U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development just announced grants designed to boost home ownership by addressing issues of supply and affordability. It's Friday, June 28, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The median income on the Eastern Shore is much lower than many other areas of Maryland and a barrier to home ownership for many. The new grants proposed may help with affordability and help modernize existing homes. Stay tuned. While home prices are 4.1% higher compared to 1 year ago, inventory is rising with fewer contracts this week. Inventory rose to 1,628 for this report, with another 98 expected to come to the market soon. 137 homes went under contract this report and in 18 median days. 115 sold over the last week at 97.9% list to sold ratio and also in 18 median days. Homes for rent fell again this week to 66 at a median lease rate of $2,100 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, June 28, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.